Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to reverse a clip in CapCut. To reverse a clip in CapCut, follow these steps. Open the CapCut app and tap on New Project to start a new project. Choose the video clip you want to reverse from your gallery, then tap on Add. Once you've selected a clip, it will appear in the timeline for editing. Tap on the clip and the timeline to open editing options. Scroll through the bottom toolbar and tap on Reverse. CapCut will process the clip to play backward, which might take a few seconds depending on the clip's length. After reversing, you can play the clip to preview the effect. If you're satisfied, tap Export in the top right corner to save the reversed video to your device. And that's it. Your clip will now play in reverse when you view it in CapCut or after exporting. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.